Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello. How are you? Thank you so much for joining me. This is Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below so you can subscribe to my channel. That way you receive all the information on what you need to do to grow your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Okay, let's get to the marketing. Marketing. Remember, you've got to understand that there are 3 things you have to focus on to get your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Customer attraction, customer acquisition, and customer retention. So today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite subjects is marketing. You can never do too much marketing, and to understand that there are specific things you need to do, you must set up a marketing system. That's correct. So I'm going to talk about the direct mail outs, which I spoke about earlier in the video, what you need to do, how well that's working. And I am going to go with, there's several ways you can market. And one of those are, I always like to go with what can you do that's going to cost no money or low amount. So let's talk about the email marketing campaign. That is so important. Now, of course, you've got to have a way to capture. And when I talk about capture, drive your traffic to one individual spot. It could be a landing page, which I suggest. If you're not familiar with the landing page, then guess what? You need to actually come to my masterclass, which I'll give you information about that in just a second. But for those of you that cannot understand what a landing page or don't have the time, it is a page that your prospects land on and you capture their email information. Why is that important? So you can build that ever important relationship. This industry, this $82 billion industry annually, $82 billion is about a lot about relationship building. It's about marketing, relationship building, and being persistent. Now, there is a big difference in being a pest and persistent. And I believe that a lot of individuals don't know the difference. When you give great content and you feel like you're doing something to really make your customers feel and understand that connection, that you're there for them, it's not only about the money. Money is important. Of course, we all want to be in a position where we have financial freedom. That's the whole purpose, or one of the largest reasons for starting a business, me included. But it's also about serving. If you think about serving your customer first and understand the type of prospects that you're interested in, and that is important as well. Understanding who is your avatar. Your avatar is your ideal customer. When you close your eyes and you think you can market to anyone, what do they look like? Who are they? Where are they? Think of that on a regular basis. Market. You can have a business and you can do really well. You could be one of the best in the industry. But if no one knows about you, it does not matter. So a 6-figure cleaning campaign to actually get customers is important. And a system comprises of having not just one method, not just 2, but I would say at least 3. Social media, email, direct mail outs, phone calls, referrals, doing some type of ads, all of those comprises a system, and putting it on automation. I am a fan of automation. So if you want to learn more than just the basics, then make sure you register for my How to Get 10 Times More Cleaning Customers in 30 Days Masterclass. I go into great detail on what you need to do when it comes to really attracting customers. I go into what you need to do to attract them, to acquire them, and to retain them in this masterclass. It's about 80 minutes. I get you in and out. Q&A session at the end of the presentation. It's live and space is limited. But if you're really serious about scaling your business to 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you register for this masterclass. And I look forward to seeing you there. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.